JJ beating the shot clock.
Grabe. 4 points na ang ating mga top.
Everyone, it's 8 o'clock and 8:30. Ito kami ngayon, mag-breakfast kami. So bago kami pumunta sa mall. Yes, kami na una, mas maaga kami. Ayun na. Oh, mga naka-black sila. Okay. So far, kami lang nandito sa breakfast area. Siguro, medyo late na kami ngayon. Breakfast time. Agad na lang ganisa. Kay Chris Danggit, bacon, tapa. Nice, let's go. Sa stage, magpipicture muna kami habang hindi pa nagsisimula. Ayan, ayan.
Kita sila sa BTS.
Mga ka-teammate ko, si Ice Low Speed, ang mga ka-teammate ko ang gagawa mamaya sa amin. Ayan. Ayan. Tayo mga star player ko mamaya. Coach lang ako, playing coach lang ako. Kami namin yan. At meron pang isa. Mamaya playing coach lang ako.
Kita po ako, kita ko sa camera.
Yeah. Sir, wait lang. Balik yung damit mo.
Yung Torres Farm.
Yeah. Ang mga celebrity, yes. Yung dadaan siya kay Torres Farm Booth. Ayan. Ito sikat ngayon. Alam niyo na, hanapin niyo kung nasaan yan. Mag-start na, mag-opening. So, papasok na ako ngayon sa loob. So, naka-ready na ako ngayon. Yan. Okay, let's go.
Ayan, partner. Malapit na mabuning Santa Lucia. Excited na ako sa day 2 natin.
Magdasal tayo. Sige. Let's all be quiet and bow down before the Lord. Panginoon Diyos, na may gawa ng langit at lupa, we just come before you and humble ourselves before you, O God, because we are nothing without you, Panginoon. Ang bawat hininga po namin, bawat pintig ng puso, Panginoon, ay grasya at biyaya lang galing sa inyo, O God. Amin po tinataas, we just lift up to you this event, O God, from start to finish, kayo lang po ang mamuna. We just lift up every player to you, O God, na pag-ingatan nyo lang po ang bawat isa. We will play hard, O God, but we will play clean and enjoy this game, ang Panginoon. Even yung mga nanonood.
Summer League Season 8! And now, we're requesting our team's first game to please get ready. Also, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mark Hera! Yeah! The Average Show! Italia!
Very only mula Serena, very fan first, but I'm so starstruck that I'm here right now, but I have to remain professional.
Okay, so ito, mga kalaban ko mamaya si Ninyong Mulak, yung Team Mulak laban sa Team Motivated. Kasama ako doon. Mamaya sa Team Torres Farm, kasama naman si PPA Motorsport.
Now is the time to begin.
3, 2, 1. Eto na. Uy, may shooting si Sir Eric, ha? Oo. 6 points yan kahapon, partner. Mahusay, oh. Oh! Yan na.
ka, focus. Focus. 25 seconds out of the shot clock.
2 points, 20 seconds remaining. Uy, konting lakas lang yun. Konti ka na.
10 seconds. Oy, 3 points na.
Super leading. Wala pa. Hindi na. Ayan. Bulak.
Uy! Ang bilis ni Sandro Bulak, mga kaibigan.
Torres Farm.
Nice. Eto na, Tito Abdul. Are you ready?
Okay, Tito Abdul now.
Ito na. Lalaki pamira. Uy, lalaki ah.
Pero may detect, partner, may detect.
Parang naloko tayo ah sa pagkahaba-habang panahon ah. Oh, ay, maganda yung ano eh, oh, yung follow through eh. Oh,
May Heras.
oh, binaudan ha. Siyempre, Mark Heras yan eh. Oh. Ito. Jump shot eh, jump shot yung tira eh. Galing.
Bumabira lang sa partner.
Ang ano, mga mataas.
High arcing shots.
Ayun na, hoy! Naku, mukhang mananalo ng cellphone itong founder natin ah. Yun! Ay! Mahaba pa to, 30 seconds pa.
Joey Robles, kabalahan ka na. 30 seconds na yun, oh.
18 seconds.
Simula. After this game, kami na, kalaban na namin ng PPM Moto Club. Grabe, kasama ko dito sila Victor Manuel. Magiging kakampi ko sila. So, medyo mabigating ang Team Torres Farm. Let's go!
Part ng Levi's. Grabe. Asa ba yung kating na, sir? Farm. Wearing orange.
Ngayon, bukod pala ang Torres Farm. Nandiyan si Big Manuel.
Oo. Yan, mag-warm up ang ating PBA Moto Club. As well as the Torres Farm. Hotel Resort.
Tayo'y kaidaran natin. Ito
CEO
naman,
and the
kasama
owner
natin ang
of,
owner
Torres
ng
Farms
Torres
and
Farm.
Resorts in Naik, Cavite, none other than Boss Eric Bailosis. Boss, kahapon sumali ka sa 3-point shootout and you are the winner. Hammerman is the winner, eh, no? But nakita ko, no, I see with my own eyes kung gaano kaganda yung shooting form mo. Can you tell us the experience yesterday?
No, actually, I'm not that ready yet yesterday kasi wala pang warm-up. Pero it's a fun experience to be with those people. Grabe, yung experience na nangyari kahapon.
Beside the experience, boss, what keeps you motivated or what keeps you supporting motivated through experience, especially this season?
Especially ang ganda ng pakay ni Boss Rendon. So, I'm here to support with those kind na it's good for the community, good for our sports people. So, I'm here to support.
Alright. Speaking of support, baka meron kang gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Yes, of course, I'm thanking everyone na bumubuo sa Motivated. And of course, kay Boss Rendon for inviting us. And siguro pwede na rin akong mag-plug ng aming sa Torres Farm. So, please visit Torres Farm Hotel and Resort where you can go around the world in one day. Hindi nyo kailangan ng visa, hindi nyo kailangan ng passport. Makakalibot kayo sa 45 different countries. So, doon lang yon sa Naik, Cavite. And we were having a April 25 fun run. So, nahandun rin si Boss Rendon. And Yes. Oh, ito. Yes, of course naman. Ito mamaya kalaban kita mamaya, di ba? Yes. Oh yeah, invited. Of course, invited ka. So, I'm inviting everyone to join us in Fun Run this April 25. It will be fun. A lot of celebrities. So, grabe. Thank you for sa bumubuo ng Motivated. Boss Rendon, thumbs up.
Maraming salamat din sa iyo, Boss. So, once again, that is Boss Eric Bailosis, the president and the owner of Torres Farms and Resorts. Don't go away. Magbabalik po ang Motivated 3x3.
All right, the first team, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the Torres Farm!
Para pare kasamang Hero!
Torres Farm for the Motivated 3x3 Season 8.
Sa ating Torres Farm natin, we have Boss Eric Bailosis of the Torres Farm. Si
Thank you so
Sir
much,
Raymond.
Torres Farm. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Si Ice
Santa
Street
Lucia
at
mo
si
here in
Kanye
Kaita.
Irving. Tama na,
Make
Kanye
some
Irving ang
noise
partner
for the PBA Moto Club!
We are the PBA Moto Club.
Yun! Aba! Teka.
May pinaghandaan, partner.
Kanina parang bigay na bigay sila Rico doon kanina, no? But yeah, nevertheless, no, parehas na ang tanong ko, what are your thoughts for the Season 8 of the Motivated 3x3?
Unang-unang gusto ko pasalamat kay Rendon for inviting me. It's my first time playing dito sa Motivated event. So I'm just ready to get started and hopefully we can get the win. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat. Mamaya daw may part 2 pa yung sayaw nila, no? But,
Of course, when you speak about Mark Caga, when you speak about JJ Eldenbrand, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Fast and the Furious. Ang kasama natin si Mark Sariwa. Mark Sariwa. Of course, kasama rin natin ng younger son ni Rico Mayraper, si Khalil Mayraper. Ian Cruz is also here. Of course, si Boss Glenn Medalla also gonna suit up para sa PBA Moto Club. Samantalang ang ating players para sa ating Torres Farm,
Yeah, team captain ng PBA Moto Club.
si Boss Ray Mark,
Torres Farm.
Ray Mark Rabino,
Si Kali Irving, kasama dyan.
si Kali Irving,
Si Vic Manuel.
yes, si Coach Big, si Ice Low Speed. At of course, completing the roster, the owner ng Torres Farm Hotel and Resort. Ano ba? Resort and Hotel?
Hotel and Resort.
Hotel and Resort, Mr. Eric Bailosis. Almost ready na tayo rito. Di pa ako nakakabati kay Coach Vic, kay Coach Kerwin. Mamaya na lang.
Same rules rin naman to, no?
Same pa rin. Pero ano na to, so it's gonna be JJ, Rico, Ryan Aranya. Samantalang we have Eric, Sir Eric Bailosis, Boss Eric, si Boss Ray Mark, at ang hindi yan si K Showtime ulit. That's Ice Low Speed.
Eto, alam mo, Mark, buti na yung day 2, wala si Boy Iyak eh. Kasi itong si Ryan Aranya, pero hawig ni Luis Manzano eh. Ice Low Speed, we're rebound.
Ice Low Speed with the ball. Here's Boss Eric. Long rebound for Ryan Aranya. Ryan Aranya, of course, one of the deadliest shooter during his prime sa PBA.
Tsaka ang galing dumepensa.
Oo, played for
Rain or Shine.
under Coach Dieng Yao. Alam mo, masarap to pag nanonood ako ng vlog nito mga to. Pag napapag-usapan yung mga ginagawa ni Coach Dieng. I miss there. And Rico Mayraper, the once PBA Rookie of the Year.
Oo.
Ayan.
On that said batch, nandun si Japet Aguilar.
Tama ba?
Oo.
Silang dalawa magkasabay. No?
First pick si Japet eh. second si Rico.
Oo, pero siya ang naging Rookie of the Year
Oo.
sa Pure Foods.
Oo.
Foul called on PBA Moto Club.
Ryan Aranya will be called for that foul.
Siyempre, kay JJ, no introduction needed. Alam na natin yung history,
Ano?
rich history ng career niya.
The Fast and the Furious. Yun yung panahon na naghahanap ng hero ang Ginebra.
Oo.
At silang dalawa ni JJ beating the shot clock.
Grabe. 4 points na ang ating Moto Club.
Aganya, pinasa kay Elderbrand.
High slow speed with the ball.
Yung katawan ni JJ, hindi niya talaga pinabayaan. No? Ganyan pa rin yung katawan
Oo.
niya.
Alam mo, partner, okay, wag na natin ikwento yan. Pero nakita kami nito. Nakita kami nito. Sa may Ryan Aranya. Miss that one. Sa may focus, sa may Metro Walk. Yung isang laruan doon. Kita kami yun. Masisira ka sa diskarte nito. Ang ingay nito.
Hindi pa clear. Pumasok ulit.
Pero matagal na naman yun.
Grabe na sa iba.
Sila kabagnat magkakasama.
Officials, don't be racist. Reminder lang sa mga officials natin. Kanina sabi mo, black ball. May ma-open. So,
Nagre-reklamo.
okay na.
Ayaw ng black ball.
Oo.
Racist nga naman. Orange siya eh.
Diyos ko naman. Naisipan pa niya yun.
Paano pag dark ball ang sinabi? Racist pa rin? High slow speed. Here's Boss Eric. Miss. Boss Raymark naman. Back to Boss Eric. High slow speed against Rico.
Elderbrand with a rebound.
Si Rico rin, ganun pa rin. Ganda pa rin ang katawan eh. No? Pero grabe na ng leaping ability nito na Rico Mayhapper during his Lasal days.
Ewan ko, during one of his vlogs, sinabi niya pala, parang walk-in lang siya sa Lasal.
Yes.
Oh, hindi siya heavily recruited. Nung nag-walk-in, nag-try out siya, nakuha siya. Yun ang pagkakaalala ko, ha.
Ang babae, laging tama. Kaya yun yung ano. Wala tayong magagawa dyan, sir. Umapprove my offer.
Okay na, sumaludo na si Rico dahil naipaliwanag yung ating referee. Oh, ice low.
Wow.
Finally, may puntos na po ang Torres Farm.
For 1,
Elderbrand.
JJ.
Wow.
Elderbrand.
Ganda ng...
JJ last professional career played for Bacoor. Sir Eric. JJ again.
Oops.
Ayan, ayusin yung tawag ko.
Eto na.
Black ball, ha?
Sherwin.
Black shirt ball. Ayusin nyo.
I-clear nyo.
Black shirt ball. Ayan, inayos na, ha? Ano ka eh, ha?
Ito na. Gako Ito na.
Pag pinagsama mo talaga to si Papa Diyos ko Lord, tsaka itong si Silver Bulls.
Nahiya.
4 seconds on the shot clock. Right.
Nabuhusan na ng shot clock.
Busan.
Akalain mo na shot clock violation TV Moto Club?
Ito na si Mark Agiwa.
Let's go.
Mark Agiwa. Parang nag-iba yung ni Mark Agiwa.
Mark Sariwa to eh. The Fast and the Furious. Clone 1.
Parang chill na Mark Nagiwa to, sir.
Sherwin.
Gako. Agiwa. Kagiwa from Timo. No good.
Napakawat na ulit.
Nice low speed. Nasa si Remark.
JJ with the rebound.
Ito na naghahanda na si Dick Manuel.
JJ getting that pick. Jay missed that still.
High
Slow
slow speed.
speed. Coach Vic getting ready, warming up. Kasama si
High slow speed. No good.
Getting also ready is Kalye Irving.
Erwin Gaco. Helter Brand. Brand. Substitution. Pasok na lang. Huwag na magpahal.
Ayun lang, pinasok na, partner.
Eto na.
Inaabangan ko na.
Big Manuel and Cali Irving.
Nako.
Parehas tong may talagang
Nako, magandang laban to.
capabilities para ihabol ang kanilang koponan.
Gandang matchup, no? Both strong defender, Jerwin Gaco and Big Manuel.
Matchup to partner Gaco versus Big Manuel. Parang
Sariwa,
Big Manuel with a rebound.
Kalye Irving. High slow speed, back to Kalye. Here's Big Manuel. Oy!
Hey! Oy!
Kala mo talaga nasaktan eh.
May MTRCB tayo. Si Mark Kagiwang, ibang-iba din pala sa personal, ano?
JJ Helterbrand.
I think si Mark kasi nasa stage na eh. No? Bumalik na ata sa stage si Mark. Of course, he's the Batang Vergara. Ang daluyong yan eh. Pamangkin ni Rika. Ni Reka. Of course, one of the great commentators ng boxing. The Trinidad father and son tandem.
Warning for the game.
Orange! Oh, teka lang. Iiwa.
At Boss Rendon dito, nasa ating malapit sa ating panel right now.
Time out.
Time out daw.
May timeout.
Time
Tama ang PBA Moto Club. We'll be back. Dito pa rin naman pagbalik natin. Sadali lang.
Kami pa rin.
Kami pa rin po kasama niyo. Ball goes to the side of
Torres farm possession right now.
yes, the Torres Farm.
Lumayo na naman dito ang PBA Moto
14 to 10, 4-point lead.
of JJ Helterbrand.
Kalye Irving.
Papa, kanino ba anak ko? Anak yata to ni ano? Kanino to anak?
Si Ian Cruz.
Kay Rico yata. Kay Rico may over yata. Hindi ko alam.
I think kay Jerby to. Kay Coach Jerby.
Anak po yan. Kay Julius
Julius
Baba.
Baba.
Kaya pala.
Kaya pala parang may balita akong nararamdaman ito.
I think anak to ni Coach Jerby eh. Hindi ako ni Jerby kasi. Hindi ko alam hindi ko sure. Basta isa anak ni Rico Merhapper. Si Khalil.
Ayun si Gaco. JJ. Another 2 bitawan.
Another one.
Ang suwabe nung ano, ang pogi yung tira.
High school pa ako kailan tumira yun eh.
And Coach Vic.
Manuel!
Binit-bitan ang bola.
There's JJ.
Sumali. Ano, rep.
Game. And
Right side.
baka nyo kami mamaya. Babalik kami para sa
Okay.
continuation.
Penelope, calling Penelope for the post-game interview.
Be ready na yung ating
Exhibition match sa Lucia Mall. Maging ay para sa ating team Mulak wearing orange. Let's welcome Sandro Mulak, Tito Abdul, Mark Harras, and Sir Raymar of Livewise. Yes, Sandro, ang nag-isang Mulak.
All right, as we come back here, another exhibition match. Of course, we have Mark Heras kasama si Tito Abdul. Of course, kasama rin ang team owner ng Libwise, boss Raymar Carabino. And to complete the roster, si Sandro Mulak. While ang Haring Bangis exhibition team will be composed of Miguel Valerio, Boss Eric Bailoses, si Awit Gaming, Haring Bangis, and to complete the roster, The only rose among the thorns. Si Sachi. Sachi Jimenez. So again, ang same rules. First to score 21 or whoever leads at the end of the 10-minute. So dito magsisimula po the Orange, Sandro Mulak, Mark Heras, and Tito Abdul. Samantalang we have Sachi Jimenez kasama si Awit Gaming and Sir Eric Bailoses. And here we go for our exhibition match. Sandro Mulak attacking. Layup miss. Tito Abdul put back too strong. Awit Gaming. Here's Sachi picking that three. Ay, hindi nila pwedeng.
Intercepted by Mulak. Sandro Mulak. Nasa kay Mark Harris. Mark Harris with the ball. 3 seconds to shoot. Shot clock.
Ito, shot clock violation. Lalampas.
Na facial. Tinamaan sa mukha.
Ayan, ito, reminder ko lang doon sa mga men's basketball, sa mga player natin. Dito kay Tito Abdul, kay Sandro, at kay Mark. Hindi nyo basta-basta pwedeng pabayaan to si Sachi. He knows how to play that ball. At last season, nahirapan si Boss GK na bantayan to. Here's Sachi thinking three. Sachi attacking. Pass to Sir Eric. And Sir Eric with the first blood of this exhibition match. Tito Abdul. Lead pass. Sandro. Rebound. Battle for that jump ball. And the possession will go with the Haring Bangis team. Team Haring Bangis. Team Haring Bangis, of course, led by Boss Jormiel Labador. Still, Sandro, Mark Heras. Umes. Tito Abdul posting up. Naagaw. Awit Gaming. Eric. Basket will not count. Walang clear ng ball. So basket will not count. Still 1-0. 8 minutes and 29. A minute and 30 have already elapsed in this exhibition match. Tito Abdul against Sir Eric. At si Awit, oh. Mark Heras. Lose that leather. Sachi. And Sachi with the two.
Sandro Mulak.
Sandro.
Back shot, wala.
Eric with a rebound. Goes for a jumper at the three. Miss. And Tito Abdul. Tito Abdul against Awit Gaming. 2 to shoot. Shot clock violation yan. And Miguel Valerio seeing action.
Boss MB. Eto na.
Si Boss MB.
Ang MB Shoes Apparel tumira na dos.
MB Sports Apparel. Yan, yung mga sapatos natin.
Oo.
Punta kayo din sa shop. Check nyo yung kanilang Facebook page.
Nami-miss ko si Mr. Longbam. Kasi dati, mga ganitong oras, nandito pa yun.
Awit block there. And good defense by Sandro, not giving any chance. Talagang papatulan ni Sandro, is a competitive. Here's MB against Tito Abdul.
Mark.
Corner three. Overshoots. Rebound by Sandro. He will try his own three.
Ayun, nagpalitan na
pasa
posisyon.
lang. Tito Abdul against Awit. Kinurot.
Raymond Banaria. At the front of the stage, please, Sir Raymond Banaria.
Power defense. Protein God. Power defense.
Once again, Sir Raymond
Coming from Sandro Mulak.
Tsaka pasalamat tayo, Santo Lucia Mall
Yes.
for providing
Gandang venue. And all the marketing and advertisement of this event. Salamat. Very successful. And again, congratulations na agad kay Boss Rendon.
Hindi ako magugulat kung babalik dito ang mga motivated.
Malamang.
Mark Heras.
And alam ko marami pang mall ng Santa Lucia. Pwede pa rin tayo.
Yung Davao, excited ako doon sa Davao.
Ang tanong, makasama kaya tayo. Pero masarap yun eh.
Oo. Kasi mga out of town, masarap yun eh.
No, si Sachi yung binabatay ni Tito Abdul. Parang nandidiri.
Sachi, full of jumper miss. Sandro Zamora or Sandro Mulak.
Mulak.
At ayan. Tito Abdul, ayan, pagandahan to. Tito Abdul and Sachi.
Mas maganda si Sachi kasi Tito Abdul. Pagandahan pa kayo labanan.
Alam mo partner, si Sachi nakalaban din ito si Boss Atan ha. And medyo hindi ako naging happy ron kasi binigyan ni Boss Atan to eh. So,
Di dapat, no?
Di dapat. Kahit anong mangyari. Dapat pinotektahan din ng organizers. Pero tama yun. Yung mga ating mga fans ng yung ating mga fans. Ako po, sa akin, hindi ako nananawa, hindi ako nagagalit dun sa tao. Pero kung ganun yung gagawin ni K-Showtime sa basketball, no? Yung pambababoy na sa game ng pamahal na mahal natin. And then, ginaganon pa tayo ng mga napakabait natin mga Pilipino. I think he has no chance para maging, para panoorin pa natin yung kanyang mga content. Ako mahilig din ako manood ng mga content.
Kasi magpapasaya sa atin.
Yes.
Yun, eh, Pero, siyempre, lahat ng bagay may borderline. Eh,
Correct.
diba?
Makenyo versus Sandro Mulak.
And look at the celebration of Boss Rendon as his younger brother. Yung support talaga sa kapatid, ano? That brotherly love. Awit. Here's Sachi. Sachi against Mark.
Oy, una mo ka, oh.
Ay, sayang.
Miss you.
Sayang.
Ang ganda ng crossover ni Makenyo. Una yung mukha eh. Oy, nalibre.
And here's the drive.
Oh, short.
Missed by Boss Raymark. 5-1.
Natapingan.
As we are coming into the halfway through of this match.
Tapos nito yung crossover semifinals ng influential.
Kukonfirmehin natin ha.
Oo. Malalaman natin ha. Sachi. Go.
Mark Heras. Ito na Mark Heras. Wala. Sumobra. Sandro Marcos. Sachi with the steal.
Sachi for the two-point shot. Medyo
So crossover.
touch short.
Partner, yun na nga. Confirm natin kay Papa Julicius. Papa,
So more or
Diyos.
less tatlong game pa tayo.
yes.
Oo.
Shot clock violation.
Tapos magkakaroon ng mini break.
Oo.
Mini break yan before the finals, no? And
Semifinals.
medyo nasa magandang oras pa tayo, partner.
Haring Bagis versus
Boss Raymark. Oh, Sachi.
Injured.
And look how gentleman talaga itong si... pwede ba natin makita direct what happened to Sachi
nga.
on that play? Parang hindi rin he was complaining of that left ankle. Parehas nung kaya Awit, ano?
Ayaw natin yung mga ganyan eh.
Oo. Eto, tignan natin. Tumalon siya.
Ayun, no? Yun.
Natapakan niya rin yung paa ni Boss Raymark accidentally.
So ano, kailangan yata yung Sachi ng Pocari Sweat. Tapos ilagay niya doon.
So yan yung ating pong medic coming from the local, from our LGU.
Awkward yung landing niya eh, no?
Awkward.
Oo. So tumama talaga doon sa siguro yung ano.
Si Paqueño
Alam mo tong mga to, siyempre, partner, ano rin tong mga to eh. Tong mga influencer baller natin. Ano rin to, partner eh, they have to be laging healthy. Dahil sunod-sunod din yung mga games nila eh.
Alam mo, ang kinakatakot ko dyan, if you could not step, yung nahirapan ka.
Okay naman.
Mukhang okay, naitatapak eh.
Naitapak ni Sachi.
Parang lalaki din mababat, grabe. From Team Motivated.
Okay, substitution muna. Sinong papalit kay Ayoran?
Ito na, partner. Hanapin ko na saglit.
4 minutes left. A solitary point for Team Mulak. Again.
Awit with the rebound. Yes, Eric. Parang hindi na-clear yun, ha?
Haring Bangis versus Bosmel Customs.
Here's Mark Heras. Ang bad boy ng dance floor. Missing that 3. Sandro susubok din. Malakas pa rin. Here's Haring Bangis with the ball. Haring Bangis. Step back. Tries to make that step medyo malayo, no? Awit! Beating the shot clock. Awit with a big shot. Here's Mark Heras. Raymark Rabino misses. Raymark also miss. 7 to 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
Mark Heras with a rebound.
Here's Sandro. Sandro with a layup. Siyempre kasama ni Sandro, yung napaka-supportive niyang girlfriend.
Libre! Sobra pa rin. Awit.
Natawa na lang si Sandro. And Awit will get an N1 play here. As he absorbed that contact. Oh, si Boss GK, no? Wala din, ano?
Wala.
Sino ba mga namimiss natin dito ngayon?
Pero kung may wala, meron
may mga bago.
may pumapalit naman. Oh.
Pero definitely because wala sila. Sa susunod na season, andyan na naman yung mga yan. Makikita nila how competitive naman dahil naglaro sila big eh, di ba?
Tsaka ngayon yung ibang different flavor, dumating yung PBA Moto Club. Ibang flavor naman yun.
Pero dati naglaro na rin kasi ang Moto Club sa Motivated. At ayan, partner ha, si Tito Abdul at si Gio Cruz. Yan, tropa rin talaga ito.
Sandro Marcos. Marcos tuloy.
Ako kanina, Sandro Zamora. Sandro Mulak. Si Boss MB natatawa na lang. Natatawa na lang sa load kay. And Awit. Awit, pull up 3. 2 minutes and 10.
Seconds left
3. Oh.
dito sa exhibition game.
Ito lang ata ang game natin na matatapos in 10 minutes.
Siguro.
Sachi, getting back in action. Okay naman. Sachi, Mark Heras ang bantay.
Mark Heras.
Eto, si Boss MB, mga big boss natin. Boss MB ng MB Shoes Apparel. Si Boss Eric naman ng Torres Farm.
Rebound.
It's Mark Heras.
Yo!
Bang! The bad boy of dance floor hitting that too. Blocked by Sandro. Another good defense. Pangalawa na ni Sandro yan.
Ayan, oh.
Sandro Mulak. Too strong. Sachi, easy rebound. Boss Miguel,
Easy basket.
the boss to the boss.
11 points, speed motivated. Sachi with the rebound.
Minute and 20 left dito sa matchup na to.
Ito rebound ni Boss Ray Mark Carabino. Ray Boyce.
Parang bulldozer si Sandro, no? Dire-diretso. Time out.
Time out. Wala na, game na. Ayun na, game na kagad.
We're back on the ball game, Mark Harris.
Marqueras going for the back-to-back, but he will miss. Here's Haring Bangis!
Oh,
But Sir Eric, Boss Eric,
Last 1 minute.
converting that putback. At mamaya na nandiyan yung GC natin.
sana.
Ang time!
Ganda.
Escaping the defense. Sandro. Miss. Haring Bangis with the rebound. 35 seconds remaining.
Sir MB.
Boss MB.
Nice shot by Sir MB. Susan Apparel. Mark Harris.
Ay, nice
In
form,
and out.
nice line, pero
Rebound by Boss Miguel. Ban!
15 points now.
Haring Bangis.
bank is open on a Sunday.
At si Boss Madam talaga namang
11 seconds.
nakatutok doon sa shot na yun. At ito, pulling away na to, partner.
Oo.
I think wala na, tapos na to. Sandro. Miss. Here's another 3.
16-5 ang
Haring
ano nito.
Bangis.
Taking their time na lang. 5, 4.
Long bomb. Will not explode.
And the winner, Team Motivated.
Ready to go.
And Team Bangis, or the Team Motivated, defeating Team Mulak.
16-5.
So pagbalik natin, partner, abangan natin ang ating magiging halftime or ang ating magiging game. Abangan lang natin just short while.
And walang pahinga si Haring Bangis dito, partner, dahil sila na naman ang maglalaro. Haring Bangis again versus sino kalaban nila, partner?
Boss Mel Custom.
Boss Mel Customs.
Alam mo, partner, sa Boss Mel din ako nagpagawa ng ng